subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched its new affordable smartphone under Y series in Thailand called Vivo Y12a, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the earlier launched Vivo Y12a smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y12a supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset coupled with Adreno 505 GPU, and it packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y12a features a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual-ray camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8MP selfie camera with f1.8 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it supports Multi-Turbo 3.0 feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y12a has been priced in Thailand at 4,499 Thai baht, and it is now available for purchase in the country in blue and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y12a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.